exactly do.
So listen what me I say now. Listen what me I say now. Listen what me I say now.
Yeah.
Yo, this I must want like most comfortable at time, but you just sing it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like honest to God, like you serious right now.
Guys, I'm there with Blue.
Hi guys.
And we're gonna give some trouble.
Problem.
Right now. A problem. I don't know, say, when you feel like comment, share, and subscribe. I'm not even gonna go into the intro.
Right.
Turn on the post notification bell. If I'm not telling you nothing, turn it on so they can be notified every time I post. Go over to Blue channel.
Blue versus Nature, guys. Go and go subscribe.
I'm gonna put the link to them channel in my description box. Anyways, me and Blue I go set up Jason for getting reaction. So
that be like a loyalty test kind
yeah,
of. Yes.
so it's gonna be like a loyalty test.
Yes.
So I'm gonna make Blue flirt with Jason to see if he would fall for it. So we're gonna get him in the room.
Wait, what you feel like if me tell him say more things, we give me a troops and him there. I push him down.
Girl, do what you gotta do. Do what you have to do. Do what you have to do.
Hey guys, make sure so we see whole if I like span every day, you know?
I'm nervous for that one here. So girl, we're gonna get him in the room. We're gonna set up the camera and you will go stay back. Make a go downstairs to them.
Yeah.
See if you just call me and say, I know when now come up.
Yes,
You know?
yes.
We don't want food and weather. Make it look like a car will just fit what we would want. So you can like pick the conversation from there. So then me I go say, Blue, need for pee.
Yes.
So me I go leave for pee.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell her to use the bathroom downstairs.
Downstairs, so it
guys,
take
and
up
the
time.
fire, yes. Yes.
And then me go spend some time down there so you can do what you have to do. And when we come back, the moment I gonna be awkward, you know. What me I gonna do? If you just come interrupt it like whatever.
Well, remember, so me I go push him down from the bed and sit in and say, you come in and wonder how wrong with him. If you not tell about him and you push him down from the bed, you must well tell about it.
My pussy. Just in loyalty. Guys, like up the video. Like up the video.
Andra! Yeah? Look here. Reza, can I come here too, please?
Yeah.
Look here.
Oh, this is pretty down. It's like gel.
Yeah, this bad.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You can come in. You can come in.
Oh,
Thank you.
You can come in. I sit with the one for action, you know. Because me know so when I come up and sit, me excited, bad. Want to know that I put for you, know. As a gift, as a wedding gift, man, for you, know.
Babe, what would you want?
Yo, me as a man, I like probably the worst person to ask for gift. Like what for gift? Cause me as a man, I don't really ask much. So if you think about something would have fit me as a man, would I take it?
Because me no want to good, not when nobody else will give you, no.
Monetary gift
Alright,
then.
So, monetary gift
Yeah.
is accepted.
Yeah.
Also, if there's anything where you don't want to get me special, like, so you know me and you always hear me talk about a specific thing,
Yeah,
then go ahead and get it. The thing is that me don't want what happen for my anniversary happen
Yeah.
on our
When
wedding.
We get gift from
No, yes, not it, but we go to kitchen things, home
Yeah,
things,
because we get
wine.
like two. We never get a lot for
Yeah.
anniversary, but two when I do anniversary.
By the time we do about 9 wine buckle though.
Jesus,
And
wow.
somebody give we like somebody buy one wine and then when we look we get what the one and whatever. We did still appreciate it, but just not even want that to happen for what it is. Like end up have 2 blender, 2 pressure cooker.
True, yeah.
And also I go when we see the registry.
Yeah, that's nice.
Give me 1
Now,
second.
cake idea.
I have to dress them. I want PP.
Oh, you
We
use
can
one
show
downstairs
you.
here because the one.
No, tell her wrong.
No, use one upstairs and use one downstairs. Because this not flush, yeah, this
I
not.
want to come to like the front
So,
door.
no pick out the cake and sit there with Jason?
We have the idea that.
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
Yo, we need to level down past certain things same way, but it gonna happen.
You see what gonna happen? I'm glad to me finally get in here though.
Sure.
You know. And for that come in the room.
I think Nitro did prank me on my walking one time. But me is a man not fast. So I forced me really a look.
So you like it? That is soft, you know. You know, I can sit down, can I sit down?
I don't really practice to sit down walking.
No, man, it's alright. We'll make an exception for you.
For me?
Yeah. Come sit down, man, on top one, so. No long more, I like you do.
So I like it.
No, come here. You know, no mosquito in here.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, go sit down, man.
No, I'm good, man. Me good. You choose me a lean, so I have full of energy. I just me love lean.
I'm glad to
Like
finally get you in here, though. A long time, yeah. Dream of that moment here, but there's a good things take a while.
Dream of what?
A moment here.
Why? What's so special about this moment?
I mean, for me, are you finally there by yourself? You know?
What?
Me, you can talk and...
Oh, then ask me anything about some
But
relationship.
I want you to sit down. I don't want you to stand up.
If you make you comfortable,
Yeah.
sit there.
Yeah.
Yo, this is almost one like most comfortable time, but you just sing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me glad, yeah, so we can talk to you now.
Like where you are.
Sure. No long man with you. You like the bed? It's soft, not sure?
It's alright, I like the winter tight too, bro.
Yeah. I feel nervous. So that's what me nervous.
Bro, if our relationship question, you have to go through it eventually, so ask.
True. Me I go through it.
Yeah, trust me, I'm not many way you can ask me, we can
You see, boy, me
like
tell us that I have some feelings where me don't know, it's just hard for me to express.
like you want to express yourself to like nice
So on
like,
deeper level.
Oh, you can't just get through to
You
you.
just don't know how to do it. What you advise?
Just take your time and probably show him like love language. Like if you know say
So what your love language?
whoa, that's a good question. Let me think. Give me a chance to think. Like when me sure when me love get shown.
Like what you like it shown in general?
I
Like
like when
touch
people thoughtful. Like, alright, for me, is like, I don't know if that's sapiosexual or there's an actual thing where it's like intelligence.
Yeah.
Like, I love that whole mind thing. Like, it,
Me intelligent bad.
that's a good start. Every man like that. So, I love when a person like,
Me would I get along?
we get along.
Yeah, but you know me I talk otherwise.
We get along.
Like it made it fit together. And if you song with a match.
We don't know about that. We don't know.
If you say me with a
My hard
match.
to deal with.
And your name start with J, my name start with J.
Julia, right?
Yes.
Boxer.
And
Man.
yours are Jason, JJ.
That means you can be friends for life.
tattoo, because you have tattoo already.
Yeah.
You get one tattoo of my name, you have one tattoo of your name.
No, that's even my best friend would do that with.
That-
Yeah, you're my best friend anyway.
That would have nice. Well, a long time, I don't know, I just feel nervous to tell her, but
Come on.
I just always have a connection towards you, I just always have feelings towards you, and I just love everything, boy, just talented. I don't tell me a dream about this, you know? Long time. I shouldn't know how me feel.
No, well, I know easy with the advancing towards, but like, what kind of connection? Because I know we reason we chat
Like
and we
connection.
vibe. No, well, I know. Why you are trying to touch me
Pillar
up?
black with.
No, but why you touch me up?
What do you mean?
That uncomfortable.
We are talking about uncomfortable. Oh, you're man, you're woman.
Yeah, but yeah, we both in a good
And I tell
relationship.
you, I have feelings for you.
No,
so
I mean, I tell you, say, I gladly decline. You can't have the feelings for me.
I
Impossible.
have
I'm
feelings for
almost
you. You
married
see, me
in a
always
relationship.
admire you. Me always look
How you
at
always admire? Bro, you look at me because you have to talk to me. If you talk to me and I look at me, and
I
I...
always look at you and I see lust
When?
in my eye.
Which look? Bro, eyelash will cover your eye them. Which
You don't
look?
see lust
Which
in my
lust?
eye with love. When I look at you with love.
When?
I'm here man black to match with you. You know, see me here match up. Me know say you don't wear black. So I wear black and look how you're muscular.
No, okay, no, you listen now. You hear yourself?
I love your
No,
chain.
no, look.
What chain that then?
Bro,
Yes.
didn't even know if this real or not.
What you mean?
Me no, me no. Listen, you hear Lolano? Pause. You hear
I
yourself?
always love
Yeah,
it.
hear yourself?
I always
You
love
need a
it.
drink?
Drink one, I never drink nothing.
No, so why?
Reason that's not be foolishness now.
Which
Let
foolishness?
me tell you how me feel like you hurt me feel.
No, how you feel about who? Me, you can't feel any way about me.
A long time we have a connection. Me always a look.
A connection stop a friend.
Me when I say with them, I think say me take off on the picture them and for Instagram and frame me put in here.
For what? Like,
So me can just have you close to me, but now that you're in here, me not have to worry about that. Me not have to worry about that.
bro, are you serious right now?
With what?
No, like, honest to God, like, you're serious right now?
Me not like how you behave.
No, you don't want to take a picture and frame with me, bro. Like,
Yeah, me feel when you hurt me feelings.
bro, your feelings have to go hurt because I don't understand what you're trying to put across. What you're trying to put across?
tell you
What are you?
how
Hold
I
on.
feel.
You have to do me right now?
Me profess my love to
Profess
you.
which friggin' love?
We had talk about flirt.
You can't work blue.
Why?
Sorry for busting
Nobody
bubble.
not have to know.
Wait, madam. Hey, you cannot. Please.
Me and Angel can be sister wife.
Where you get them the foolishness from? Me and my girl last year.
Me can be sister wife. Me I can, you know, I have two man.
No, I'm good with one.
Yes, stop be foolishness.
No, yo, no, like you're scaring me right now, man.
Me not like where I drink.
You did drink? No, you look like you're kind of like high, like little bit high, like.
Me never did drink nothing.
Nice to get away for bun. Nice to get away for bun.
Stop,
Nice to get away for bun. Nice to get away for bun.
Nice to give me no weed
No,
for
you
bun.
see,
Me
it's
not
just you
smoke.
don't take people weed now, because you start talk foolishness. Come sit down, man.
Please just stop be foolishness.
Which foolishness?
Alright, give me one hug then before you Angel come.
Which time? I never remember me hug you, but me hear you.
Give me one kiss then. Come on.
Bro, me in a relationship.
Why you keep on talk about other people? No, me
Yeah,
ain't
because
honest,
that's
so-
a part of my life, that bitch. Me gonna mash up my life.
Lucky door.
Bro, you know what if you do a lock? Where you lock door for?
I'm lucky door.
For what?
I'm lucky.
Bro, open the door. Open the door. But you just open anyway. You not put me in no position to match a relationship. No, no. Me lie here tonight, yo. I'm a love my woman. Facts. Fact. No, hey, you cannot, no.
Just give me one kiss.
You for what?
Reza, stop your foolishness. Come now.
No. Bro.
One.
Bro, listen what me say now. Listen what me say now.
Stop
You're
now.
high. Oh God, me feel sorry for you.
Lord
Me
Jesus.
feel sorry. Yo, come sit down. Come sit down.
Me, I profess me love
Come,
to
sit
you,
down,
and I
sit
saw
down.
you
I'm
are treating
talking,
you,
I'm
hurt
talking.
me feelings.
You hear me? Me I talk to you. Stop.
Yeah! I want to that door here, man. I said that door yesterday, sometimes it's stuck. Oh, God.
Babe, why you look like that?
Oh. You alright?
What happened?
No, I see us up on your phone and like you get one message.
I
Oh,
just want misunderstand.
somebody that say. So, you tell her where you like or something?
Yeah.
As me say, you know, information we did it for everybody who we forget information and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
No, just no one do it way ahead of time. So, you know, like when nobody I feel on my skin like, no, when this blah blah blah. So
Yeah,
not
for
until
sure.
it's near then, but we do the necessary.
But I'm not sure if I come here. I'm not sure if I come here with you.
Alright.
What do you mean?
I'm not sure if I come here with you. I just not like certain things.
Like what?
I just not certain things. I just feel uncomfortable. I don't know. I just feel. I don't know. I just feel kind of uncomfortable.
Ask her what me shall I tell you?
Oh, what happened?
No,
Oh,
I just
me
say
can't
I'm
go back
weird.
to not act weird.
I know me and him. Me not acting weird at him.
What happened?
I know I feel problem. I feel.
Already
Why
did
you
married
look so
too.
sad?
Man.
Why are you so
I'm a
red?
good man, baby. Yeah, you
What
messing?
happened?
Uncle boy.
Yeah, go tell her the truth or what?
The truth? What truth?
Tell her the truth now.
Why you not tell her?
No, come talk. Come
In your tell me you have feelings for me.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Bro, what?
And when couldn't wait for this a moment if you get me alone. And
She called me in here, remember?
a good thing you come and do a while ago, can back me up in a corner this. I
What?
don't even know
No, me
how
not even
to
talk-
feel. Listen,
Babe, are you
what?
silly? Babe, are you silly?
I don't even know how to feel.
Babe, are you silly?
Babe, stop!
You see the girl that like for me, I come up the girl. My girl, when me back up in the
And
car.
if you come near me,
Babe, me not turn me back for 10 minutes.
Babe, are you
Come on.
stupid?
and you ask me to take picture of me.
For what?
Me don't know what you gonna do with it. You know see you want a frame picture of me.
Sorry. Babe, me not turn me back.
Babe, are you silly? I guess before you listen to me, I said to you, baby, babe, are you silly?
Me feel
You she accuse me of.
feel so
Babe,
Are you side with her?
Babe, come on, let me talk to Blue.
I feel so traumatized.
Baby, you side with her. You hear what she just say me do? Babe, I never do that, you know?
And I ask me for
Me
kiss.
never do that, you know?
When you come back that way.
Ask who fit me?
You ask me for kiss.
Bro, I better make this video.
Lucky door. Me never want to tell us say that's why I
Oh,
do
me feel like you do. Me not even know about your door.
Shit.
Babe, are you silly?
Me. You embarrass me, babe.
Babe, come, we're ready. Come, we're ready.
Me, I go talk to
Talk
Blue.
to her, so why you see girl accuse me about this? What you laugh for? What you laugh for? You're in it with her too.
In it with what?
No, so you should talk about sister wife. You're in her
Come
too.
here. I'm sorry. It's a loyalty test, babe.
There's a way my sister
wives.
This one. Yeah, you're good, man. Me shall feel.
Imposter fail before me kiss him.
Bro, like, we never want it, that's how you.
Snuggy pop.
Because you're supposed to sister wife sister friend.
I'm sorry. It's a loyalty test, babe. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you know for ramp with
I'm
me.
sorry. Well, you didn't do me bad, so.
Jesus!
What?
I was
sorry.
so.
High five.
Wickedness can't done.
Yeah.
In friend.
So it's imposter, so.
Me no matter what, no gift, you know, with me, can't have that.
Good job. Alright, then. Imposter him fail. Me not watch it yet. So blue same pass. What would it say? Comment and let me know. Babe. Babe. Snuggy. Good job.
Jesus!
Babe, stop now. No. Bring him up all night. Oh, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks to your trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Bye, guys.
Look where is that?